students, welcome once again in DSS YouTube online class. This is Chaman Singh and today we will read next reading part of chapter 6 in new book and chapter 7 in old book. The topic of today's reading is Upanishads. Students, now listen carefully and try to learn difficult word meanings. Around the time that the Buddha was preaching and perhaps a little earlier, other thinkers also tried to find answers to difficult questions. Now, the meaning of preaching is to give a talk, a sermon on a religious subject. It means धार्मिक उपदेश या धार्मिक संदेश. Some of them wanted to know about life after death. Others wanted to know why sacrifices should be performed. Many of these thinkers felt that there was something permanent in the universe that would last even after death. They described this as Atma or the individual soul and the Brahma or the universal soul. Now, the meaning of soul is the spiritual part of a person that is believed to continue to exist after the body is dead. It means जीव आत्मा या आत्मा से हमारा तात्पर्य एक ऐसे किसी मूल से है जो एक जीवन से दूसरे जीवन में वो बिना नाश नष्ट हुए वो कन्वर्ट हो जाती है या एक शरीर को छोड़ के दूसरे शरीर में वो प्रवेश करती है. They believed that ultimately both the Atma and Brahma were one. Many of their ideas were recorded in the Upanishads. These were part of the later Vedic text. Upanishad literally means approaching, and now the meaning of literally is according to the basic or original meaning of the word. It means किसी शब्द का शब्द के मूल अर्थानुसार. The meaning of approaching is to come near or nearer to somebody or something. अर्थात किसी के पास पहुंचना या किसी के नज़दीक जाना. Sitting near, and the text contain conversations between teachers and students. Often ideas were presented through simple dialogues. Most Upanishadic thinkers were men, especially Brahmins and Rajas. Occasionally there is mention of women thinkers such as Gargi, who was famous for her learning and participated in debates held in royal courts. Poor people rarely took part in these discussions. One famous exception was Satyakam Jawala. Now the meaning of exception is a person or thing that is not included in general statement. अर्थात एक ऐसी चीज जो सामान्य से अलग होना या अपवाद होना. Who was named after his mother, the slave woman Jabali. He had a deep desire to learn about reality, was accepted as a student by a Brahmin teacher named Gautama, and became one of the best known thinkers of the time. Many of the ideas of the Upanishads were later developed by the famous thinkers Shankaracharya, about whom you will read in class 7. Now the next topic is 6 schools of Indian philosophy. Over centuries, India's intellectual exploration of truth has come to be represented by 6 systems of philosophy. The meaning of intellectual is connected with a person's ability to think in a logical way and understand things. It means बुद्धिजीवी या तर्कशील व्यक्ति। These are known as वैशेषिका, न्याया, समाख्या, योगा, पूर्वमीमांसा एंड वेदांता और उत्तर मीमांसा। These 6 systems of philosophy are said to have been founded by Shakes, Konada, Gautama, Kapila, Patanjali, Jaimini and Vyasa respectively. This philosophy still guides scholarly discourse in the country. The meaning of discourse is a long and serious discussion of a subject in speech or writing. It means एक महत्वपूर्ण बातचीत या गंभीर विषय पर बातचीत या प्रवचन। German born British Indologist. The meaning of Indologist is a person who study about India, अर्थात भारत के विषय में जानकारी रखने वाला या भारतविद। Frederick Max Muller has observed that the 6 systems of philosophy were developed over many generations with contributions made by individual thinkers. However, today we find an underlying harmony in their understanding of truth, although they seem distinct from each other. The meaning of underlying is बेसिक और फंडामेंटल, अर्थात आधारभूत या बिल्कुल प्रारंभिक। द मीनिंग ऑफ हार्मनी इज एडजस्टमेंट, अर्थात सामंजस्य स्थापित करना। द मीनिंग ऑफ डिस्टिंक्ट इज सेपरेट, अर्थात अलग होना या भिन्न होना। नाउ मूव टू द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक। The next topic is the wise beggar. Here is a dialogue based on a story from one of the most famous Upanishads, the Chandogya Upanishad. Saunaka and Abhipratarin were 2 sheikhs who worshipped the universal soul. Once, as they sat down to eat, a beggar came and asked for some food. "We cannot spare anything for you," Saunaka said. The meaning of spare is नॉट यूज्ड फॉर वर्क, अर्थात खाली या फालतू या अतिरिक्त। लॉर्ड सीजर्स, whom do you worship? The beggar asked. The universal soul, Abhipratarin replied. Ah, it means that you know that the universal soul fills the entire world. Yes, we know that. The sheikhs nodded. If the universal soul fills the whole world, it fills me too. Who am I but a part of the world? The beggar asked. You speak the truth, O young Brahmin. Then, O sheikhs, by not giving me food, you are actually denying food to the universal soul. Now the meaning of denying is to state that something is not true. टू रिफ्यूज टू एडमिट और एक्सेप्ट, अर्थात किसी बात को निकारना या अस्वीकार करना। द sheikhs realized the truth of what the beggar said and shared their food with him. Now the next topic is Padini the grammarian. This was also the time when other scholars were at work. One of the most famous was Padini, who prepared a grammar for Sanskrit. He arranged the vowels and consonants in a special order and then used this to create formula like those found in algebra. The meaning of formula is a group of signs, letters, numbers used in science or mathematics to express a general law or fact. अर्थात एक विशेष सूत्र या एक विशेष प्रतीक चिन्हों और संख्याओं का योग जिसे हम सूत्र के रूप में प्रयोग करते हैं। अल्जेब्रा The meaning of algebra is a type of mathematics in which letters and symbols are used to represent numbers. अर्थात बीज गणित. It means एक ऐसा गणित जिसमें संख्याओं का या प्रतीक चिन्हों का प्रयोग किया जाता है स्टडी करने के लिए, जिसे बीज गणित कहते हैं. So student, this is the topic. I hope you have listened properly. If you have any doubt or any problem, you can ask or comment on my WhatsApp number. Till stay safe, stay happy. Good luck. All the best.